was supposed to be stocking stuffers. So that I can't change right. And I have my gingerbread house. Hey my loves, welcome to Tara Love Diva. We on Vlogmas Day 9. Why I'm laughing is because I done filmed this 5 times, 9 times, 18 times, I don't know. But anywho, welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. It's Friday. It's Friday. And today, let me tell you, I woke up with a headache, but I'm feeling way better. It is now 8:07 a.m. in the morning on Friday. Okay, let's get to it. Today, this is my calendar that I had created at the end of November for my December Vlogmas, and it's 25 days. Well, it's going to be 26 because I have to do the closing. 25 days on this calendar. Now, let me tell you what happened. What happened was, yesterday was supposed to have been, before we get into that, if you are new, welcome to my channel. If you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. Do me a favor, pause. Click the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, turn it off and turn it on. That way you'll be notified each time I upload my silliness. Well, I think I'm silly. I don't know about everybody else. Upload, what I was supposed to say, thumbs up the video and leave me a comment about anything. I don't care. You want to talk about your dog, your cat, your sister, brother, uncle, leave me a comment. Or just leave a comment with a heart on it. No, not a heart. Leave a comment with a shoe. Okay, now the calendar. Yesterday, I did cocktail because it was supposed to have been baked not sugar cookies. What you call them, people? Gingerbread cookie. I'm looking right at it. Yesterday was supposed to be gingerbread cookies, but what happened was, right, I didn't have any ginger nor butter. The sticks of butter. And then today's video was supposed to have been stocking stuffers, but your girl don't have any stockings, nor do she have red fabric. No, I don't even have white fabric. But anywho, I was gonna make 8 stockings to stuff for 8 grandkids, but unfortunately there's none, and I'm not gonna go to the store to buy any because I think the Dollar Tree or Walmart is tired of looking at my face. So today what we're going to make is Starbucks holiday coffee, and it's going to be a cold coffee, and then I'm going to decorate one of my Starbucks mugs, and it's going to be this one because I don't want to mess this one up. This is the plastic one. So we're going to decorate this, and then we're going to make a Starbucks coffee, and it's not going to be a Christmas theme. It's something I like. So we're going to bedazzle. No, I don't have any bedazzle. So we're going to just do something cute on my coffee mug that I can have all year round. So with that being said, thanks to Starbucks, love it. I have like 3. I also have a Starbucks mug, and I have other stuff coming from Starbucks, and I just want to say thank you to Starbucks for all that you all do for get off my video. I gotta go get my nails done. For all that you have done for your girl, Tara Love Diva. So with that being said, I'm going to finish my morning coffee that has some, oh, I should add some extra activities to this. Hold on, my coffee's almost. So I'm gonna finish my coffee. I'm gonna write in my journal. I'm gonna answer some emails because it's still early in the morning and I'm not doing a cold coffee until this afternoon. So I'll be in a whole different outfit by this afternoon. Anyway, we're gonna go and get my day started. I'm gonna drink my coffee, like I said, write in my journal, and decorate this. stay tuned for the coffee. trying to get this video day. Take 7. Hey my loves, welcome to VlogMas Day. Hey my loves, welcome to VlogMas Day 9. We are on VlogMas Day 9, and I have that many days till December 21st. Wait, what's today? 9. Take away 21. 9, 10. I'm just kidding. To make gingerbread cookies. Then we supposed to been doing stocking stuffer today, but I didn't get stockings. So, should I make some stockings? No. That was a quick no. And National Gingerbread House is on Monday. Echo, when is National Gingerbread House?
Gingerbread House Day is 3 days away. Next Monday, December 12th.
You are.